What's going on, guys? It's STG. Thought I'd do a little video tonight where I show off two 10-ounce vintage bars I recently picked up. So guys, I got a lot of stuff to do. I got a lot of mail. I'm going to be doing a few more mail calls. Also guys, I have this roll of dollar coins here. I'm going to be doing a video of that soon. Stay tuned for that. Also guys, I'm going to be doing some pickups that I recently purchased. Been getting a lot of silver now that the price of silver has gone down a bit. So stay tuned for that. And guys, I also got a very special gold coin. I want to get to that hopefully soon this week or early next week. So stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the first bar I picked up. So this is basically Oxford, guys. Now Oxford is a company that has been in business and is still in business for over 40 years, guys. They are based in Anchorage, Alaska. And I got this beautiful, looks like a pressed bar or extruded bar. Really nice. I know another community member recently purchased one that was toned up. Really nice toning on it. So since then I've been wanting one of these and I'm glad I finally got one. So again, they're based out of Anchorage, Alaska. I think this bar was probably made in the 80s. They made both 5-ounce and 10-ounce, as well as a 1-ounce bar. I got actually a 1-ounce bar I'm going to show you guys from them that I've got from last year. The 5-ounce ones are a little bit harder. Also, I saw online, they showed pictures of both 5-ounce and 10-ounce poured bars. So this is kind of a cast or extruded bar. So this is a little bit different. Nonetheless, I really like it. Vintage silver. And guys, this bar is highly reflective. So I don't want to show too much of it. Try to get myself out of the viewing angle here. I don't know if you could see, it has a bit of a purplish hue to it, and I thought it's a really cool bar to have. I don't know if you could see that. Again, I don't want to show too much, but it does have a somewhat purplish hue toning to it. Alright guys, so that's my first bar. The second bar, guys, I've been wanting this bar for a really long time. I basically reached out to Silver and Cigars in my letter, asked him if he wanted to get one, and I never heard back. So I'm going to be telling you guys where you could pick up this bar from. They had a few left in stock. I don't know if they have it in stock now. I didn't check the website. But guys, I'm going to be leaving a link. If you're interested, you could purchase it. So here it is, guys. The Ohio Precious Metals LLC mushroom bar, guys. So I've been wanting this mushroom bar for a really long time. It also has the recycled logo on it. I'm pretty sure this is from recycled silver. Really beautiful, beautiful luster it has on it. Really like this bar. Really nice condition bar, this one that they gave me. So I was very fortunate to pick this up. I think at the time it was like maybe I paid $3.20 for it. And I think now, well, last time I checked it was like $3.10 because of the drop in silver. I don't know, it might even be cheaper now if they have any left in stock. A little bit about Ohio Precious Metals. I think this bar was probably made in the 80s. Ohio Precious Metals ceased to be an independent company in 2012. They basically merged with Northwest Territorial Mint, and they formed Elemental. Now guys, you'll remember Elemental got in trouble around 2018 for doing some money laundering. Essentially this company ceased to exist in 2012. You could find all different types of Ohio Precious Metal bars. I've seen them in 1-ounce, 10-ounce. I believe I've seen it even in, what was it? 50-ounce maybe, I want to say. I don't recall, but it was a large size bar that they manufactured, and I think it's a really cool bar. During this time, you basically had a lot of bars that had a similar or basically cast from the same mold. So you have like private labels like Allen's Coin Shop, Xenia Coin Shop, Columbus Precious Metals, and you have more well-known, companies such as Batch, and you have Jackson Precious Metals. So, guys, the company was based out of Jackson, Ohio. I'm kind of thinking Jackson Precious Metals basically cast all these bars. I don't have any evidence for that, but just based on the name and the location, that would be my assumption. I could be wrong, but that's basically what I'm guessing. All right, guys, these are some really cool bars I got. I'm really glad I got this mushroom bar especially. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.